How to fix unable to log in error on Grindr even after a password reset. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning how we can solve unable to log in even after you've already resetted your password. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. Fix if you're not being able to log into Grindr even after you've resetted your password. So if you've already resetted your password but you're not being able to log into Grindr, what could be the case? The first is we want to make sure it is not the issue with our internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. After you've done that, you can simply go ahead and then launch the Grindr app, and these are the other options that you will be able to find. Now what you can do from here is, if you're not being able to log in using your email and password, then you can log in manually or using your Facebook and your Google account. So if you have linked your Grindr account with your Facebook or your Google, you can try to link with those accounts instead. Or you can tap on this forgot password button here, try to reset your password through your email or phone number once again to see if that actually helps you solve the problem. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.